Axial SCX24, taking her out for a little test drive on some bigger rocks, do some rock crawling. Still pretty much stock. Only change I've done to it so far is I got some Injora wheels and tires on there, just some all-terrains, not a big change, so should still see pretty much how this performs stock with just a slight improvement on it so far. Okay, starting to rain a little harder. Wasn't too much of a success, but still had some fun out here with the little micro crawler. Rocks are just slightly too big for out here. They're a little bit smaller. It'd be a lot of fun out here. Okay, thanks for watching.